Time to go fire up the truck for work here. See what the weather network says. Yeah, she's cold. It's only December 8th too, so it's only going to be getting colder from here on out. So let's go see if she'll fire up. Now it has been plugged in for about 4 hours. I got it on a block heater timer. We'll see if that's enough for this girl here. It's cold. This has got the Triton V8 gas motor in it, but it's an F-350, so let's see if we can get some more light here. Oh yeah.
Audience members weren't actually.
Oh yeah, she don't like that too much at all. Glad I remembered to plug it in last night though. Whew.